Hey, it's Arie here. Hopefully you're doing well. In this video, I want to give a full in-depth review for the Easy1Up program. And specifically what I want to talk about in this video is I want to talk about the actual products. What exactly are you getting when you decide to become a member of Easy1Up and you decide to enroll in one of these product packages? So if you're on this video right now, probably means you're doing a little bit of research and you're kind of on the fence as to whether or not you should, of course, enroll in this program, or if maybe you want to do something else entirely. Now, right off the bat, what I want to first and foremost say is that I have actually bought into Easy1Up. I am a member of Easy1Up. In fact, I just recently upgraded to the Vertex Live member level, actually, as you could see right here. So this really just is just to show that, I am actually a member of this program. I have gone through the training, and I'm not just here to, sell you something that I don't own. A lot of people, what they do is, and I've seen this, over my years online, is, people make videos about, other programs that they're not a part of, just to kind of, back end you into something else, right? And I personally don't believe in doing that. Personally, I don't think that's the right thing to do. But, I am here. I just wanted to show that I am a member of Easy1Up, and I want to talk about the actual products that are inside of here. So in a little bit later on this video, I have a bit of a funny but interesting story that I want to share regarding Easy1Up and why I decided to, of course, get back into it after being pretty inactive for like the first year or two that I was in it. But first and foremost, I want to talk about the actual product. So what exactly are you getting when you decide to become a member of Easy1Up? So what Easy1Up has to offer is training that shows you how to build an online business, how to do network marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, and they have various different videos in here, different video training that shows you different strategies that you can use to grow your business online. So if you're someone that is on this video right now and you're looking to grow an online business, you want to learn how to become an independent entrepreneur, and you want to learn how to, learn the strategies of, for example, how to generate leads online. You want to learn how to, do email marketing. Maybe you want to learn how to use YouTube traffic, right? YouTube is, one of the methods that I use actually in my business. If you want to learn how to, use autoresponders, that's in here as well. So what I really like about Easy1Up, and what you'll see inside of here is you're getting training that shows you different methods on, pretty much whatever strategy that you want to learn, right? So they have training about Facebook, they have training about YouTube, they have training about solo ads. That's another method that people like using a lot. They have training about email marketing. You have videos about Snapchat, social media authority. You've got videos about Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram. So whatever it is that you're looking to learn online, regarding growing your business, whatever marketing strategy that you're looking to learn, it is in here. There's something for you inside of this program. And this is really great for you if you are someone who's completely brand new and you're kind of, you're looking for method to, of course, grow your business online, right? So that is really just to show kind of what you're getting here. Now they have different, levels that you, of course, join at. You could join anywhere with $25, or you can go all the way in at the $2,000 level, right? Now, of course, the level that you come in at, will get you a specific amount of training. So, for example, if you join at, let's say, the $500 level, what you will get here is you're going to get access to this level, these different videos here. By the way, I know it only shows like 5 videos on here, but keep in mind they're always updating, the training on the inside. So they do have more videos than, as of right here. But what you're going to get access to is you're going to get access to this level of training as well as all the levels below at no additional cost. That's one benefit with Easy1Up. And I want to actually show kind of inside the program here. So if we go inside of my back office, and on the left, if we go to the where it says my products right here, this will bring up the list of the different product packages. It'll show, like, if you are inside this level right here, it'll show like unlocked icon. If you do not buy it, it'll show like a locked icon right there. But for example, if we go into the Vertex level right here, Vertex, this will bring up the list of videos that are inside of this level, right? So what's really nice about this is they have pretty much all the videos laid out inside this level. And what I really like about Easy1Up is that they're always adding in new videos in here, as time progresses, right? So look, whatever it is that you're looking to learn online, they're always adding, content inside this program. And yeah, that's pretty much what that has right there. So if you want to learn about, zero cost traffic, methods right here, you could watch this video. This video is about an hour long. And each of these videos in here, they go pretty in detail about that specific strategy that you want to learn. So if you want to learn about Facebook ads, they have a video in here about that. This video is about 26 minutes long. that shows you how to use Facebook ads in your business. They have videos about mindset. That's obviously very important as well. And yeah, that's pretty much what you're getting here, right? So what I would highly recommend that you do is, of course, if you decide to, of course, enroll in this, ideally what you want to do is you want to go through the training and, of course, decide to pick a strategy that you want to learn, right? So obviously, with the amount of training that is in here, it is quite a lot of training that you're getting. You don't obviously have to go through every single video in particular, but what you want to do is you want to pick one strategy in here that, if you feel resonates with you and that you could you feel you could stick with doing for the long term, right? So in my case, one strategy that I use inside of my business is YouTube, right? I use YouTube because it's a very effective strategy. It has helped me get my very first breakthrough online. It's the exact traffic source that has allowed me to start making sales, in other affiliate programs as well. So this is what's allowed me to start, getting my first, first initial traction going, and that is what I really like about YouTube traffic. However, YouTube isn't for everyone, and so if you're on this video right now and you don't feel like making videos, you might be interested in doing something else, like for example email marketing. You might consider doing something like Facebook ads, or any other traffic source that they have inside of here, right? They've got a ton of different videos in here that you of course go through and you of course learn. And that is pretty much what you're getting right there. Now, I want to go over some of the benefits with by becoming an Easy1Up member, and why I highly recommend joining this program. And then after that, I want to kind of touch upon my story in terms of why I decided to, of course, get back into Easy1Up after being inactive for quite a while, right? So the very first benefit here with Easy1Up is you're getting a massive library of training videos teaching you various ways of growing your business online. This I pretty much already went over, but with Easy1Up, you're getting access to a massive library of videos that'll teach you how to build your business online and how to really become a long-term entrepreneur. The next benefit here, this is if you decide to become an affiliate for Easy1Up, you can make anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 with just one sale alone. Now, let me go back to the main menu right here. So the different product packages, they range from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And what's really nice about this program is that when you make a sale at any of these levels, you actually do get paid that full commission, right? So for example, if you refer someone to Easy1Up and they decide to join at the $2,000 level, you'll get paid the actual $2,000 commission. You'll get paid the full $2,000 payment right there, and that is another benefit with this program right here. So you get paid 100% commission, which is really good. Another benefit is every sale that you make is paid out instantly, right? So you don't have to worry about waiting a week or 30 days with other affiliate programs. I know with most affiliate programs out there, and if you've been online for any amount of time within the past few years, you know that with most affiliate programs, typically when you make a sale, you have to wait about like a week or like a month to actually get, the commission, right? And that kind of sucks for a lot of new affiliates because, well, if you're completely brand new and you're kind of anxious to get into profit very quickly, you really want to start making those commissions, and you're like, well, I want to, of course, get into profit, so I can, of course, continue growing this thing, and I want to get some momentum coming in. Well, the downside with most affiliate programs that you decide to, partner up with, like ClickBank products, Digistore, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other like training program or software, typically you have to wait quite a while to get your commissions, right? So, for example, with this one program right here that I promoted, by the way, nothing against the actual program. I really love the training actually, but as an affiliate, if I make a sale of this program right here, I have to wait quite a bit for that, right? So I made like $544 with this program right here, and I have to. These are sales that I made like last month, but I still have to wait a little bit longer in order to actually get those commissions paid out to me. So that is kind of one downside with a lot of affiliate programs. But with Easy1Up, you don't have that issue whatsoever. Now another benefit that I want to mention right here is the training that is inside of Easy1Up can be applied to any business. So look, any business that you're building online, any sort of offer that you're looking to promote, whatever it is that you're looking to become an affiliate of, if you want to take this training apply it elsewhere, you're more than welcome to do that, because that's well, it's your business, and this is pretty much training that helps you promote pretty much anything that you want online, right? Now, what I want to talk about now is I want to talk about kind of my story with Easy1Up, why I decided to, of course, join Easy1Up, and why it took me so a bit to, of course, get into momentum, right? So I initially joined Easy1Up about 2 to 3 years ago, actually, back when it was first brand new. I joined in like late 2017. And funny thing is, when I first joined Easy1Up, I was dealing with the shiny object syndrome quite a bit, right? So I was doing that, course buying thing where I was, buying program after program after program, constantly looking for that right one that will, of course, make me money, hopefully as quickly as possible. And the problem that I had when I was first getting online is, I was very unfocused. I was just, dipping my toes into the water in a lot of different things, and I was never really giving anything my full focus. So when I joined Easy1Up, back in late 2017, this is one of the things that I joined, and unfortunately for me, I didn't really take that much time to really dive into the training. I didn't really take it too seriously, and I kind of did. I didn't really take much action in order to really getting the results in my business, and for that reason, it kind of took me a while to really get that momentum going because I was always looking for the next shiny object, right? And one problem that is that is very big in the internet marketing industry is there's a lot of programs, a lot of high ticket programs that they come and go, right? So there's companies like Mob, Digital Altitude. Those companies, of course, got shut down after a while, and with a lot of high ticket programs, one thing that I know a lot of people worry is they think, well, okay, well, if I join this program, would actually, last quite a while. And Easy1Up is actually one of the very few companies that has been in this for quite a number of years. So Easy1Up has been around for many, many years, and it is still doing very well today. And they're always making improvements to, of course, make the program better, right? So they're always adding training here. They're making sure that it's, of course, legit and, working for pretty much, the everyday person. And it is, of course, obviously going to be promoted around for a very long time. Now, it's also part of another company that has been around for about 20 years. And so that's another great thing about Easy1Up, and is that, it's been around for quite a while. And the reason why I decided to, of course, get back into it, getting back to my story. So I was kind of inactive, I was kind of dabbling in a lot of different things, and I started getting, some momentum, with different affiliate programs that I was promoting. However, the one issue that I was facing personally was I wasn't really making that much per sale, right? So with other affiliate programs that I was promoting, I was getting maybe like, a couple $100 per sale, like $50 per sale, these like $50 commissions, that type of stuff. And, although it felt great, getting these commissions, it's like getting these low ticket commissions or mid ticket and then having to wait, 30 days. It wasn't really, enough for me to, fully go full time in that type of stuff, right? So in my case, I was looking for something that would, for one, be around for a very long time, something that's stable, something that is getting results for people, something that is, of course, booming. I was looking for something that that would pay me, big commissions, ideally $500, $1,000, $2,000 commissions, and I was looking to, of course, get a profit very quickly. Now, Easy1Up is one of the very few programs that actually, in my opinion, actually meets the entire criteria, right? So with this program, it's been around for many, many, many years, it's been around for quite a while, and it is one program that has great products. They pay out commissions all the way up to $2,000 with one single sale. And the reason why I wanted to share that is because, well, if you're on this fence about Easy1Up right now and you're wondering, well, should I, of course, get enrolled in this program? Think about this for a minute. If you could make one sale at, for example, $1,000 per month, or let's say that you can make one or two sales at the Vertex Live level, would that be enough for you to, perhaps go full-time or even provide, at the very least, a very good side income at the very least? I know for most people that are first getting into this, this would be a really great starting point, and that is why Easy1Up is definitely a program that I highly recommend getting into if you are not already, right? So if you can make just one or two of these sales every single month, I know for a lot of people, this would be a really great starting point to, perhaps go full-time, down the road, right? So if you are interested in, of course, getting involved in Easy1Up, and you, of course, want to get, the ball rolling, I do have some really great bonuses that I want to provide you to, of course, really help get you the maximum results possible, and really to help you best ensure that you get results, right? So when you decide to check out Easy1Up, through the link of the button down below, I've got some really cool bonuses here. The very first bonus that you're going to get access to is you're going to get access to the YouTube selling system, right? So if you want to learn how to use YouTube to market your business online, if you want to learn how to get traffic, very high quality traffic from YouTube, that's one thing that you're going to get access to here. In my case, I use YouTube a lot. It's what has helped me get my first, big breakthrough online. However, YouTube isn't necessarily for everyone, so if you don't want to use YouTube, you might consider using another method like using Facebook ads, right? So another bonus that you're going to get access to when you decide to join at the link down below is you're going to get access to a training that'll show you how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned. So this is step-by-step training, and you could use the strategy to, of course, get lots of great results. The next bonus is you're going to get access to massive traffic formula. This is Paulo Barroso's training that shows you how to use solo ads. So if you'd like to use solo ads in your business and you want to learn how to properly use them to really get the maximum results possible, this is one great training that shows you how to do that. Another bonus is massive ManyChat profits. ManyChat is a tool that helps you communicate with followers through Facebook Messenger. It's very much like having an email list, but with Facebook Messenger. And this is a really powerful method as well that isn't really getting utilized too often, but it is still very good. Bonus number 6, you're going to get access to the Ultimate Facebook Chat Mastery. Another really powerful method of getting high quality traffic is using Facebook, right? So you can go on Facebook, simply go on facebook.com, and what you can do is you can go to any different, any sort of group about the niche that you're in. So for example, if you're promoting Easy1Up, you might consider looking up online business opportunities. And what you could do is you could simply reach out to anyone that is in this group, right? So you can start up a conversation, build up connections that way. And of course, do the one-on-one thing that way. Now this training right here shows you how to use Facebook to, of course, reach out to people, how to build up connections, and how to, of course, get people to be interested in wanting to check out whatever it is that you have, right? So this gives you a really powerful script that you could use. That's a really powerful method. You're also going to get access to some email swipes, hypnotic storytelling, and also the most important ingredient for success, as well as how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, right? So if you really want to, get the most results possible, if you really want to, really get as much to really help ensure your results, then check out the link down below. There should be a link or button down below this video, and that will take you to where you can, of course, get enrolled in Easy1Up. And my number one recommendation, what I recommend for this, is you want to come in at the very highest level possible because, for example, if you come in at the $25 level, then that basically means that, you are eligible to promote just the $25, elevation level, and then that's only $25 that you get per sale. Whereas if you decide to come in all the way at, let's say, for example, the $1,000 level or the or Vertex Live, if you are able to really stretch yourself, I always recommend, stretch yourself as much as possible. In this way, you'll be set up to properly get the most commissions for the amount of time that you're putting in, right? So if you're going to be putting in all this time to promote something, you might as well get paid, the maximum that you possibly can, right? And that is by positioning yourself at the highest level possible. So hopefully you found lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're ready to, of course, take action and you want to get those big commissions, check out the link down below or the button, and that will take you to where you can, of course, get signed up as a member of Easy1Up. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the inside.